Hello guys, today we are showing you how to fix the wires now.
What wires?
Cables and wires. And my wires, cables too. You see all the daddy's tools? You can see it from here. So far, you can see the whole table. It looks like a square. But
So what's wrong with the wire? So this is your iPad's charger. So what's wrong with this one? Hey, come on,
It's
show them.
broken.
Closer here. Closer. Like this.
It's broken.
Where is it? There you go. So you see it's broken.
Yeah.
So Daddy has a charging cable, a lightning cable for iPhone, and Daddy has this cable for almost 5 years plus. And this used to be like this.
Yeah.
See, it's broken. So there's a marker for the arrow pointer. Okay, the reason why we have that is it only works now on this orientation. Okay, so if you use it this way, like this, it doesn't work. Okay, so now we're gonna fix this, and then Daddy bought this cable accessories, which is actually good.
One of my fingers can't stay on.
Okay, so you hold it like that.
The tiny finger.
Okay,
The
okay.
pinky. It
The
can't
pinky?
stay. Yeah.
Okay, come on, you show.
This one. Do you see?
See?
Do you see?
Oh wait, so we're gonna use Wowo's heat shrink. So we borrowed from Wowo. And this one. So let me open it. So this is called heat shrink tubing.
Heat shrink tubing.
Heat shrink
Heat shrink
tubing.
tubing.
So we're hold it. Come on.
One of them looks like
Okay,
it's
yeah,
broken.
hold it. Hold it.
One of them looks
So we're
like
gonna
it's
need
broken.
something that would fit here. Let's try this one. Okay, this one fits perfectly. How about a black one? Let's see this. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, it's too small.
Too small, can't fit.
So we're going to use the red one. Is it red?
Yes, it is. It looks like red.
Okay, come on, you show it something closer. So we can get a portion of this, the old cable,
Yeah, that looks so old.
this one.
But it kind of doesn't look. It kind of doesn't look old.
Just look at the screen and make sure the circle is pointing at the daddy's hands. Okay. So, since I don't want to get this part, so I'll just use some electrical tape.
What, electrical tape?
Yeah, just like last night. So,
But why?
because we need to cover the broken cable, and we need to put reinforcement on the cable. Show the cable. See?
My hands are hurting. Like last time, I said cut when I saw you with the scissors and tape.
Okay, so Daddy is putting some electrical tape now.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, I'm wrapping the cable with electrical tape. Okay, so we have wrapped the cable with electrical tape. So
Yeah, I see the black stuff.
yeah, it's called electrical tape. Go on, closer, like this.
Closer.
Yeah, just like that. Hold it like that. Okay, so now
Can kind of shake.
it's okay.
I'm not good at balancing.
It's okay. So let's make it neat. Let's get it straight. Oops. Okay, now we need to put this inside. Come on, show it. So this is just about the right size, and this is 5.0. Okay, just put it inside like that. Okay, and then you need to use, you can use a heat gun or a lighter, just like this. So kids, don't do this without the supervision of an adult. Actually, kids are not supposed to do this. Okay,
Don't use a heat ray.
What heat ray? Okay. Don't rush heating the heat shrink. So if you heat it too much, you might damage the electronics. Okay, so it's cold now. So we heat it again. Okay, so let it cool. Then you heat the lower part. I think this part's okay, the top one. Yeah, it's cold.
It's sticking.
Okay, one last thing. Okay, now what we need to do is test it with an iPad. Okay, just hold on. So this is a power bank. And then, oh no, I covered the marker. So let's try. Okay, it works. So now we have a clean cable.
Wait, was it fast to charge?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something good and new. Rylee and Daddy out.